SmartDraw's data chart visualizer allows you to generate a pie chart, bar graph, line chart, area chart, donut chart, and more from an Excel file, CSV, or tab delimited text file. With any template open, click the plus icon to switch the Smart panel into the Insert Content view. Once on the Insert Content view, select the Add Data Visualizer section and click on Data Chart. Choose the type of chart you want to generate. You can upload a data file from your desktop or link to a URL data source. You can also get data from an online source like Google Sheets as long as the data is publicly available. To import data from a URL, first get a shared URL from the data source. Open a document in Google Sheets and go to the File menu, select Share, then Publish to Web. Make sure you choose comma-separated values, CSV, in the second dropdown and hit Publish. Copy the URL from Google and paste it into the dialog under URL in SmartDraw. If you use a URL as your data source, you can turn on auto-updating to automatically refresh your chart. Switch to the data control on the Smart panel using the database icon. Under Actions, choose Update Data Table. Now, check the Auto Update box to have SmartDraw automatically update your data.